In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Chrome Sync is paused. Let's dive right in and get your Google Chrome browser back to keeping your information in sync seamlessly and uninterrupted. First, take a look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Here, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon represents your Google account that's connected to Chrome. Clicking on it opens a small menu that gives you an overview of your current sync status and some quick action buttons such as managing your account or signing out. Once you've clicked your profile icon, take note of any notification or prompt that appears. If you see a message that says, "Turn on sync" or "Sign in again," click that option. This prompt is important because it directly relates to reconnecting your account for synchronization. It could be that your session has expired or that there have been changes to your account security settings, leading Chrome to pause synchronization. Now, if you're prompted to sign in again, you will need to re-enter your Google account credentials. Ensure that you're using the correct email and password associated with the account you want to keep synced. This is a critical step because entering the wrong credentials could lead to more hassle and frustration. This re-authentication process helps verify your identity, ensuring that your data stays secure while syncing. If after signing back in sync is still paused, you'll want to explore further settings for a resolution. Head over to the three vertical dots located also in the top right corner, which leads you to the main menu. Clicking here reveals a drop-down menu from which you'll select Settings. All of Chrome's configuration options live within this section, so it's a good place to check when you're troubleshooting issues like this. As you navigate through Settings, find the You and Google section on the left-hand side. Here, click on Sync and Google Services. This section allows you to manage what data gets synchronized and is generally useful for checking the status of Chrome's sync functions. This menu is essential for customizing your Chrome experience, from passwords to browsing history. Within this section, ensure that the option Allow Chrome Sign-In is turned on. This specific setting helps facilitate automatic sign-in processes, making sure sync functions operate smoothly. If it's off, turning it back on might be exactly what's needed to resolve the issue. Finally, once you've checked and adjusted these settings, close Chrome completely. Doing so allows any changes you made to take proper effect. When you reopen Chrome, see if your sync issues have been resolved and whether everything is functioning as expected. Following these steps should have your sync active and keeping your Chrome experience consistent and up-to-date across all your devices. I hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting and fixing the paused sync issue on Chrome. If you're still encountering problems, consider reaching out to Google's support forums or their help center for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.